DJ Dan in the house. Today I'll be showing you how to make Asian style nachos. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in pan. Add 2 cloves finely chopped garlic and saute until lightly golden. Add 150 grams minced chicken or pork. Brown all sides. Add 1/4 cup water, 1 tablespoon ketchup mayonnaise, and 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Season with black pepper. Stir and cook for 4 to 5 minutes until mixture is dry. Arrange tortilla chips on a tray. Sprinkle 150 grams of mozzarella cheese. Place under a hot grill for 2 to 3 minutes until cheese is melted. You can also use a blowtorch to melt the cheese. It is much more fun. The cheese is nice and melty now. Lightly mash an avocado and season with salt and olive oil. Spoon pork or chicken over chips. Followed by the mashed avocado, a few spoonfuls sour cream, 4 to 5 chopped cherry tomatoes, and 1 tablespoon pickled green chillies. Our Asian style nachos is ready! Watching my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Bye! See you in my next video.